Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to build a live QR code generator using Python with a simple GUI. As you type text or a URL, the QR code will update in real time. This is super useful if you want to quickly generate QR codes for links, Wi-Fi passwords, or anything else. Let's get started. And that's it. You've just built a live QR code generator in Python with a graphical interface. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Python projects. Drop a comment below if you'd like me to add features like saving the QR code as a PNG file or changing its colors. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.